Good morning, good afternoon, evening, night, whenever you're watching this. Hello, hello, hello. I guess that's my new saying, one of those two. Maybe I'll mix and match them, I don't know. But we have something very special today. We have the Dark Timber Midtech Barracuda. This is by Dark Timber Knives. Oh, Jesus. I just got buzzed by a hornet or wasp or something. Anyway, yes, Midtech by Dark Timber. This is Peter Kohler's wife's design. She is Amber Hargrove Kohler, famously known for her Naked and Afraid challenges. This is satin finish Nitro V with black and green micarta handles, red liners. See, it's got the Dark Timber logo there, Amber's logo there. This is kind of a hybrid kukri bolo shape. I would say kind of more the bolo because of the straight back, and the kukri because of the sweep there. It's pretty steep angle, but this is pretty great, and we'll take a look at the specs now. Okay, so the length of the blade, tip to choil about 10.5, about 11.5 tip to the guard, and 17.25 overall inch. I guess you could say the cutting edge just under 11, and this is what they call the amber notch. It's for using on a ferro rod. Oh, also it has this kydex sheath with a hook and loop sling for you as well. So this is a pass around blade. Started out with Jim Lowe from High Country Chronicles Knives and Gear, or High Country Fly Fishing or Fisherman. I'll put link to his pages down below. And yeah, this was a pass around. Came to me, supposed to use it for camping. I got a lot of yard work to do though this weekend, and just busy, so I can't get to camping before I have to send it off. So we're just gonna use it for some yard work. Anyway, let's get to it. So I have this grape vine growing on the side of my house, and I just want to see how this will do with maybe some light machete work. Okay, knock that piece down. So this is Grape Vine. We've got some larger vines starting to grow here. Careful not to hit the house. I'd say this did pretty well on that. I don't know if it's been sharpened since it's been passed to me. Maybe it would do a little better if it was a factory edge or freshly sharpened. I haven't touched it, and I don't know if the person that had it before me had touched the sharpening or not. Get used to it. Gotta get that sweet spot and the wood will fly apart. Okay, so you might say, oh, those were small pieces of wood. You need something bigger. Okay. How about this? that bites in there good. Oops. There we go. In case you're wondering, that's, what is that? 3 inches maybe? Okay, just went in and measured. Yeah, 3 inches on the dot. So now, let's step it up. Nope. There we go. Wow, let's chip it away at that. Golly, this is hardwood. Whew. I need a new baton. I think this wood might be too much for me. I think this will eventually get through, but it's too much for me to bother with. As you can see, it's going. So yeah, that big log was seasoned sweet gum, so that was tough as nails. Let's see if we could just get through this one. The 3-inch piece, this should be a lot easier. Yeah, this 3-inch piece is a lot easier than this 8-inch piece was. that's wild. You can, as a baton, you can hear it splitting, but I think it's good. There's a knot right there, but I think it's good. So here's what I chopped up in the front yard. And, you know, we can break this down a little further. As you can see, just boom. Yeah. Oop. Yeah, takes these pieces off like they're nothing. And of course, can't forget the choil. Alright, let's go ahead and check out this amber notch. Sorry, right here. The amber notch. Or maybe it goes this way. Ah, there we go. There we go. Works pretty good. Let's go ahead and in the back of the spine. And back to the amber notch. Now I believe how you're supposed to use the amber notches. You're supposed to put this in wood and then pull it across. Here's the I guess the baton cut from earlier. Anyway, there we go. Alright, so what do I think of the Barracuda? I think it's a pretty cool blade. Love that, you know, it's got that kukri sweep because I like kukris. I like it's got the flat back because I like bolos. I love that it's a good stainless, you know, the nitro with the fuller. Completely dig that. It's yeah, good at you know, the slashing through, you know, the vegetation. Delimbing stuff is good, chopping it's good. I think it could be better at batoning through wood, but that just might be because of the grind angle or just because I was using some really difficult wood to test it on, so it could be that as well. But I've had big knives that do way worse at batoning than this did, so I mean it's okay. It could be better in that area. But I mean, other than this, other than that, yeah, it's got this awesome weight forward, you know, choppy action to it, but it's still light enough that yeah, you could use it for, you know, your small detailed stuff, or you know, use it for a few hours and still be okay. So overall, I mean, it's a winner. It's good. I think the amber notch for the ferro rods has a learning curve to it, so I would just stick with the spine myself. That's me, but some people totally dig that amber notch and they're okay with it, so hey, good for them. But yeah, I mean, it feels comfortable in the hand. Got that little flare out, so it's not going to go flying on you. But you can run a small lanyard through that hole because the screws there do have a hole in it, or you could up here you could put a lanyard up there as well. So yeah, it's a cool blade. Make sure to check them out when they drop, hopefully soon, and maybe you'll dig it too. So all right, take care, get outside, enjoy life. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family, every little bit.